This is a short module on the Art Deco movement in paintings. Art Deco was an international decorative arts movement most popular between the years 1924 and 1940. It has a style that combines traditional craft motifs with machine-age imagery and materials. The style is often characterized by rich colors, bold geometric shapes, and lavish ornamentation. Though many of the art movements had political or philosophical intentions, Art Deco was purely a decorative one. It was an amalgamation of many different styles and movements of the 20th century, like Cubism, Modernism, Bauhaus, Neoclassical, Futurism, etc. The picture shown is one of the famous Art Deco paintings called The Musician by the Polish painter Tambara della Bisca. We will now see into the origins of the Art Deco. The term Art Deco is derived from the show organized by the French Artists Association, La Société des Artistes, called the International Exposition of Modern Industrial and Decorative Arts in 1925, Paris. The picture is the publicity poster of that exhibition in Paris. We will now see into the key features of the Art Deco movement. The style of Art Deco movement reflected modern technology and was therefore characterized by smooth lines, geometric shapes, streamlined forms, and bright, sometimes garish colors. The style could therefore said to represent machine-age aesthetic, which replaced the flowing floral motifs of Art Nouveau. Since the movement began as a reaction against the austerity of the First World War, the materials used were expensive, like silver, crystal, ivory, jade, and lacquer. It also used exotic items like shark and zebra skins. But the depression of 1930s led to the usage of cheaper and mass-produced materials like plastic and chrome. The two paintings have typical Art Deco patterns. The characteristics one can see in them are distinctive circular patterns, bold straight lines, subtle use of colors and shades, and the overall abstract look. We will now see how Art Deco distinguishes itself from Art Nouveau. Both the art movements emerged as a reaction to major world events, one the Industrial Revolution and the other the First World War. Art Nouveau, meaning new art, reigning roughly from 1880s until just before the First World War. It embraced Europe's new industrial aesthetic rather than challenging it. It features naturalistic and stylized forms. Art Deco emerged after the First World War. It was the extravaganza that defined by the jazz and the Industrial Revolution. The movement was prevalent from 1920s until the Second World War. We will now see some of the popular Art Deco painters. First, Joseph Kaczky. He was an Hungarian avant-garde sculptor and graphic artist. He was greatly influenced by the Cubist movement and later the Art Deco movement. Second, John Austen. He was an English book illustrator influenced by the Art Deco movement. Third and most importantly, Tambara de Lembisca, who was a Polish Art Deco painter who is famous for her painting The Musician. And last, Jean Lambert Ruski, who was a Polish avant-garde artist sculptor. His paintings were commissioned throughout Europe, Canada, and United States. He collaborated with one of the major artists of the time to exhibit his paintings in the International Exposition of Modern Industries and Decorative Arts in 1925.